Hello, I'm Michael McKillican, Sutton, West Coast Nanaimo. I've got 560 DOREEN Place just off of Metro Ave for sale. Beautiful interior gas fireplace, coarse countertops, walk-in pantry, beautiful deck facing parkland as well as adjacent parkland, which makes it unique and private. It's at the end of a cul-de-sac, present. So for your kids and everybody else, it's kind of a no-through road. 3 bedrooms up, 2 full bathrooms, a beautiful ensuite, walk-in closet in the master bedroom, overlooking the green space, as well as a 4-piece bathroom on the main level for the 2 bedrooms. Down below is a 2-bedroom legal suite with a full kitchen, bathroom, and a den from the front entrance for the main house. Any information on this home or any other on DOREEN Place, we've got 4 other properties coming up. Please call me at 250-756-2112. Again, it's Michael McKillican, Sutton, West Coast, Nanaimo. Yes, I work for the builder. My name is Michael McKillican, Sutton, West Coast, Nanaimo. This is one of gourmet's properties, Sattler Homes. As you can see, it's beautiful quartz countertops, beautiful sink, double, as well as a pantry behind me, gas, stainless steel, double door Frigidaire with ice cubes and water, etc. And a beautiful dining area. And the cool part is that the property next door is city owned, or will be city owned, green space, and adjacent to it is also parkland that is dedicated already. We've also got a little deck going off the kitchen and the dining room area right here. It overlooks the green space. We're going to do a quick through. Convenience, double washers with lots of space for storage. Here's the family room, living room with gas fireplace, some stone, custom cabinetry, beautiful beechwood, vaulted ceilings, lots of windows. We're at a cul-de-sac end, which is basically a no-through road for kids and family. This is the vaulted ceilings going into the front entrance, which is kind of cool. Master bedroom with some very cool interior wall design, as well as this gorgeous bathroom. Double sinks, quartz countertops, custom cabinetry, beautiful double shower, toilet, and soaker tub with a nice frosted window for privacy, as well as 2 other bedrooms and another bathroom with white quartz countertops. And the lower level has a 2-bedroom legal suite, full kitchen, patio, double car garage, and then a massive kind of rec room, den, whatever you'd like, with a separate entrance at the front for the main level of the home. If you want to get any information on 560 DOREEN Place, it's right off Metro Avenue, Nanaimo, BC. Give me a call, 250-756-2112. Again, it's Michael McKillican, Sutton, West Coast, Nanaimo, 560 DOREEN Place.